How to scan QR codes with Samsung phone. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to scan QR codes on your Samsung Galaxy phones. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. So your Samsung Galaxy phone has an inbuilt QR code scanner on your camera app. To do that, you just have to access your camera first and open it up. And now once you do that, you could set the QR code like this, and it will automatic QR code. And go ahead on this. You can view on web, so go ahead and tap on view text like this. And here it will view the text. But in some cases, if your camera detects the QR code, no matter how long I point it won't read it. Then in that case, you need to make sure that your QR code reader is turned on. Now to access that, press on the camera settings on the top left corner. And once you get to your camera settings, go ahead and toggle this one right on, scan QR codes. And once you toggle this on, you should be easily able to scan QR codes. But if you have an older version of Galaxy that does not have this feature, you can simply go to Play Store and search for any of the QR code scanner. And you will be able to find a lot of options right here. So you can watch the reviews or you can look at the downloads and choose accordingly. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.